Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Good morning. Very good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Very good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Very good morning.
Good morning, sir.
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 Good morning.
Good morning, sir. Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Good morning. How many attended maths class today?
$71, sir.
71. Because we have delayed a lot. Actually, I think maths sir is taking through Google Meet, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
I too tried Google Meet, but I could not. That is why the delay. I am habituated to Zoom, taking classes on Zoom. And sir said there is no time limit in Google Meet, and I thought of taking class on Google Meet. But it was somehow not possible for me to take class through Google Meet. That is why I have come back to Zoom. Tomorrow, Monday, let us try to have class on Google Meet.
Okay, sir.
Okay,
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Now only 50 students have joined so far. We have to wait for the others because the delay was because of me. I can't let them lose the lesson. What can you see on your mobile phone and on your screen?
Yes, sir. Fixing and
What is the lesson?
appointments.
What is the lesson? What is?
Canceling appointment.
Canceling appointment.
Yeah, that is.
Appointment.
And canceling appointment.
Yeah, right.
Fixing and canceling appointment.
Yes. So that is what we are going to learn today. Fixing and canceling appointments. And before that, in every class, we have to revise whatever we learned in the previous class. After revising the contents of the previous class, we can go to the present class. Only 50. No more are joining, only 50, 49 are there. What happened to the others? Yeah, now tell me, what did we learn in the last class?
We have learned about locate following dialogues and identify which is must, no choice. It is the law.
Obligations.
What are the four expressions we learned in the last class?
Must,
Must,
have to,
should be,
must, and should, have to.
Must is the first thing we learned. For those who were absent
then
yesterday,
should.
must means there is no choice, means you must do it. It is the law. You have no other alternative. You have no alternative. Must means you must do it. There is no choice. And the second one is should. When you say should, there is a choice.
It is a suggestion.
It is just a, yeah. It is just a suggestion. Okay? It is a suggestion. Should means it is better to do. You should go means it is better that you go. You should come means it is better that you come in time. Okay? You must do something means you must do it. There is no choice. You should means there is a choice and it is just an advice. And have to is used when there is an external obligation that you may not like to do something, but you have to do it. At that time you say, I have to do it. Now let us do some activities. You can write this down. I really need to get a haircut. Rewrite these sentences. I'm going to give you some sentences. Rewrite these sentences using must or should or have to, wherever necessary. Okay. Now you write the first sentence. I really need to get a haircut. Rewrite the sentence using must or should or have to, whichever is suitable.
I have to haircut.
I have to?
I have to get a haircut.
Yeah, I have to get a haircut. Means, what is the meaning of that? I have to get a haircut means? Do I like
doing it.
Yeah, I don't like.
Like it, but
I don't like.
But we have to cut.
Yes. I don't like to get a haircut, but I have to get a haircut. I really need to get a haircut. Okay. Second sentence. You write this sentence and write the sentence you have given. I have to get a haircut. You write
Yes, sir.
both the sentences in your notebook. Because these are simple sentences, simple topics. We may not deal with these topics again when we meet in person in college. And we don't know how far we are going to meet online. Whenever government decides, we have to meet in the college. Until then, we have to meet online only. Online classes only will continue. That is why you have to note down everything. I really need to get a haircut is rewritten as I have to get a haircut. Right. And second sentence. Give a sentence for this. Can you read it?
must watch this movie.
you must watch the
You must watch this movie.
You must watch this movie.
It is not about you, it is about I. Yeah, right. Correct.
I must watch this movie.
You must watch this movie, or you should, or you have to. Which is the most suitable one?
Must.
Must, sir.
How can you say must?
Watch this movie. Strongly recommending. It was strongly
recommending.
recommended. Sir.
What is the meaning of recommending?
Suggestion.
Suggestion. What should be used for suggestion?
Should say
You should.
You should.
You should. Yes.
this movie.
You should watch this movie. Right, correct. Write these two sentences. I strongly recommend you watch this movie. And the sentence is rewritten as you should watch this movie. Have you written?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Now, next. Change the third sentence.
You should not work too hard. Should not work too hard. You should not
should
work too hard. You should
Yeah, you should not work too hard. Right, correct.
hard.
You should not work too hard. This also is an advice, right? Don't work too hard. It is an advice. You can understand. So you can rewrite that as you should not work too hard.
must
You must.
you must
must
wear a helmet when you ride a bike.
Must wear a helmet when you ride a bike.
must
Right, correct.
helmet.
Correct.
You must
You must wear a helmet.
helmet.
You must wear a helmet when you ride a bike.
When you ride a
Are
bike.
you noting down the sentences?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
You must wear a helmet when you ride a bike.
You have to speak only in English in the classroom every day.
Right, correct. Very good. You have to speak only in English in the classroom every day. You may not like it, but you have to speak only in English.
You must
Have to speak only in English in the classroom every day.
Yes, sir.
Have you completed writing both the sentences?
No, sir.
Right, right.
No, sir.
You completed, sir.
Yeah.
You must speak in English in the classroom.
You must speak in English in the classroom every day is also okay. You must speak in English in the classroom every day is also correct. You can use both. You have to speak only in English, or you must speak only in English. Finish your work
You
in
must
time.
finish your homework in time.
You must finish
You must finish your work in time.
homework in
time.
Yeah, you must finish your work.
You must finish.
Can we say you have to finish your work in time or not?
Yes, sir. We can.
Yeah, yes, we can say that also.
Yes,
You can
sir.
say you have to finish your work in time, or you must finish your work in time. But the meaning slightly changes. When we say you must finish your work in time, there is no choice. You must do it. It is a law. That is the meaning of you must finish your work in time. But when you say you have to finish your work in time, the speaker means you may like it or you may not like it, but you have to finish your work in time. That is the meaning of this. So both must or have to can be used. You must finish your work in time or you have to finish your work in time. Have you written?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Hope you received attendance links. Please check.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
then enjoy your work. Please give attendance for yesterday also. Please give attendance for yesterday and today.
You should enjoy your work.
You?
You must.
Yeah, you must
You
enjoy
have
your
to
work.
enjoy your work.
You should enjoy.
See, actually,
You should enjoy your work.
you must enjoy your work. You should enjoy your work. Both are correct, but you can't say you have to enjoy your work. I think that is not that much suitable. You can use both. You must enjoy your work or you should enjoy your work. Both are correct, but the meaning is slightly different. Can somebody tell me the difference between you must enjoy your work and you should enjoy your work?
Must means compulsory.
Should,
So you should or it is an
Which is more correct? Which is more suitable?
you must. You must.
you
You must or
should.
Should.
should is more right. You should enjoy your work. There are some people, see, there are some people who don't enjoy their work. They work a lot, but they don't enjoy their work, right? That's why we can say you should enjoy. There is no rule. Is there any rule that you should enjoy? You must enjoy your work?
No.
There is no rule. I don't enjoy, but I work. That's why you can say you should enjoy your work. It is only an advice. You can only give an advice. You should enjoy your work. Yeah, please give your attendance, all of you, for yesterday and for today. First give yesterday's attendance and then today's attendance.
Completed, sir.
Okay. Now, let us come to today's topic. What is an appointment? What is an appointment? When do we take appointment? Is it necessary to take appointment? Tell me, anybody, what is an appointment?
Appointment means whenever we want to go to hospital, we have to take the appointment so that at
An
correct time we
arrangement to
can
meet
go
someone.
and we can
Giving
say our
permission.
problem.
Whenever we want to meet somebody, we have to make an appointment. Is it a must for you to make an appointment with me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
If you want to meet me, can't you meet me directly? Is it necessary to make an appointment, to fix an appointment to meet your English lecturer?
No, sir.
No.
No,
sir.
Where is it necessary?
in hospitals
Especially
or
when
in
you go for hospital or any dental hospital or any
Minister.
Minister. If you want to meet a doctor, if you want to get treatment in a hospital, you have to. Yeah. Come on.
Higher officials.
Yeah, higher officials. If you want to meet commissioner, sir, you have to fix an appointment. Otherwise, you can't meet. If you want to meet collector, if you want to meet commissioner, municipal commissioner. So to meet a higher official, you need to fix an appointment. You have to call or you have to go and take appointment. And these days, it is necessary to take an appointment for Covishield vaccine. You know that? Vaccine
Yes,
people
sir.
who are
Yes,
45 years
Yes,
old.
sir. We need
Yeah, you have to fix an appointment. www. I think Covishield, something like that is there. You have to make an appointment. You have to fix an appointment. If you go there that particular time, they will give you vaccine. Otherwise, they won't give you. Okay. And when and why do we reschedule or cancel appointments?
If we don't have time, means we will reschedule to another day. If we want to cancel the appointment, means any urgent work is there, means we'll cancel the appointment.
Yeah, if you have some other work at the scheduled time, suddenly you got some other work, you have to attend some other work, so you have to cancel your appointment. Do you need to call that hospital to cancel appointment or reschedule appointment, or just like that you can keep quiet?
We can keep quiet or we can call and say. No need of calling, sir. Just we can cancel the appointment.
Yeah, we have to call and tell them to cancel the appointment, and we have to call and reschedule the appointment, because in some corporate hospitals, if they give you time between 10:15 and 10:30, the doctor will wait only for you. Do you know that?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Exactly at that time, he will be waiting for you only, the doctor. So if you don't reschedule or if you don't cancel that appointment, he will be waiting for you. But if you cancel or reschedule the appointment, the doctor may give that particular time to some other patient. So it is very important to reschedule or cancel an appointment when it is not necessary for us, when we have some other work. And we have to mention, sir, because of this, I am unable to come. Please reschedule my appointment or please cancel my appointment. Yeah. So now do this one. You want to take your mother to a doctor who is very busy. See, these are the questions which are going to come in your examination. In your exam, in your mid-sem or in your end exam, such questions will come. You want to take your mother to a doctor who is very busy. What will you do? Yeah.
We will take.
We'll request and take appointment.
Now, how will you do that? See, you want to take your mother to a doctor who is very busy. What will you do to ensure that you meet the doctor on the day you want? So you'll fix an appointment, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
How?
An
Please,
appointment.
can you please give that sentence or give that dialogue? You call a hospital. Who will receive the
have
call?
to call to the doctor and we should say about our problem so that he can.
It is a big hospital. For example, Yashoda Hospital or some Apollo Hospital, some other hospital, Care Hospital, or whatever it may be. Is the doctor going to lift the phone directly if you call hospital?
No, sir. The number in the reception will lift it up.
Who will receive the call? The receptionist.
The number in the reception.
Yeah, the receptionist will receive the call. Now, can you tell me the dialogue between you and the receptionist of the hospital?
My mother is not well. I want to meet the doctor.
Yeah, is it Care Hospital? My mother is not well. I need an appointment with neurologist, or I need an appointment with cardiologist, or I need an appointment with dermatologist.
పనే చేసలేదు
Timing,
Yeah, tomorrow. Yeah. Time also you have to mention. Yeah, hello. Can I take an appointment?
Yes,
Can you please fix an appointment with Dr. Krishna, neurosurgeon, for tomorrow evening? So you have to ask like this.
date and time, sir.
You have to mention time and
Date
date.
and time.
Time and date, right. Now, can you write that sentence in your notebook and speak out? What is the sentence you will speak with the receptionist?
Sir,
Please write that sentence.
Sir, tomorrow evening I need your.
Sir, tomorrow evening.
Tomorrow evening I need dermatologist appointment. Please can you fix it?
Tomorrow evening, I need an appointment with the dermatologist for my mother. Can you please fix it in the evening at 5 o'clock or after 5 o'clock? So this is the entire sentence. So in your exam, if a question like this comes, you want to take your mother to a doctor who is very busy. What will you do to ensure that you meet the doctor on the day you want? For this as an answer, when my mother is unwell and I want to I want to take her to a hospital, I will call the hospital and speak like this. Hello, I need to take an appointment with Dr. Sri Krishna, the dermatologist. Can you please fix an appointment at 5 o'clock tomorrow? Okay, these entire things you have to write. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. It's clear.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
So
sir.
we can say greetings also, no, sir?
Yeah, greetings also. Greetings also you can write. Hello, good afternoon or hello, good morning. Can you please fix an appointment with Dr. Krishna for tomorrow afternoon for my mother? Okay, you can wish also. You can say good morning, good afternoon. That's that is very important to say good morning or good afternoon, something like that. Now read the following conversation and identify the phrases that are used to fix and cancel appointments. All of you read the dialogue aloud.
Receptionist. Hello. World Hyderabad.
Hello. Hello, Hyderabad.
Kiran Kumar.
Good morning. I am
Hello.
Good morning. I am Kiran, a student of mechanical engineering. Kiran Kumar. I want to
Yes.
I know the reason, sir. I need to talk to him about the I need to talk to him about
Will please fix an appointment at 5
I
o'clock.
have noted it down in the
Mr.
diary.
Kiran, I have noted it down. I will note the appointment. You're welcome.
I have noted.
Now the conversation is taking place between the receptionist and Mr. Kiran Kumar. Kiran Kumar called receptionist. Kiran Kumar called EduWorld. EduWorld is an organization. And receptionist or anybody. Immediately after lifting, the phone has to say who he is or who she is. Hello, EduWorld Hyderabad. See, this is a hello, Yashoda Hospital. The receptionist of Yashoda Hospital says, hello, Yashoda Hospital. Yeah, hello, Hero Honda showroom. This is how they lift their phone and then speak. And Kiran Kumar says, good morning. I am Kiran, a student of diploma in mechanical engineering. Yes, how may I help you? I want an appointment with the MD. May I know the reason, sir? I need to talk to him about the prospects of doing BTech in Russia. So what is EduWorld? What is EduWorld?
That helps the students to
He is
learn
an
BTech.
reception.
It is an institution or it is an organization that sends people to Russia for BTech, right? In this line, you can understand it. So I need to talk to him about the prospects of doing BTech in Russia. When would you like to meet him? Will you please fix an appointment at 5 p.m. tomorrow? Okay, Mr. Kiran, I have noted it down in the diary. You have the appointment tomorrow at 5 p.m. Thank you. You are welcome. So this is how you have to read a dialogue. See, you have to read any conversation or any dialogue as though you are speaking really. Okay? Don't say, receptionist, hello, Ajubal, Hyderabad, Kiran Kumar, good morning, I am Kiran, a student of Diploma Mechanical Receptionist, yes, how may I help you? This is not the way to read a dialogue or a conversation. You have to read, hello, Ajubal, Hyderabad, good morning, I am Kiran, a student of Diploma in Mechanical. As if you are speaking in a real life situation, you have to speak. Can you please read the dialogue once again? Allowed everyone? Please read the dialogue.
Hello, Ajubal, Hyderabad. Kiran Kumar. Good morning. I am Kiran, student of Diploma in Mechanical Engineering. Yes, how may I help you? I want an appointment with the MD. May I know the reason, sir? I need to talk to him about the process of doing BTech in Russia.
When
When would you like to meet him? You will please fix an appointment at 5 p.m. tomorrow.
Will you please fix an
Mr.
appointment
Kiran,
at
I
5
have
p.m.
noted it down in the diary. You have to appoint tomorrow at 5 p.m.
I have noted it
You,
down in the
yours
diary. You have
welcome.
the appointment tomorrow.
Okay, now you have read the dialogue. Now you do this activity in the same way. Write the dialogue. The previous question, I went back to the previous question. You want to take your mother to a doctor who is very busy. What will you do to ensure that you meet the doctor on the day you want? Write a dialogue for this. I will give you 3 minutes time.
Sir, can I say it?
Yeah, okay, you can say. Who is it?
Yes.
Who is speaking? Pooja, are you sleeping? Pooja, wake up, sit down. Pooja, number 18. No, you have switched off. You have switched off your video. You should listen. Everybody is sleeping. Yeah, somebody wanted to speak the dialogue.
Sir, I am Padmavati. Can I say the answers?
Yeah, Padmavati, please speak.
Me, I am Padmavati. Is this Yashoda Hospital? Receptionist. Yes, Yashoda Hospitals. How can I help you? Me, I need an appointment with Dr. Krishna, cardiologist. Receptionist. May I know the reason, ma'am? Me, my mother is suffering with knee pains. Receptionist. When would you like to meet him? Me, will you please fix an appointment at 12 p.m. tomorrow? Receptionist.
Yeah, I'm listening. Padmavati.
Yes, sir.
Are you speaking? I am unable to hear you.
Sir, can I start?
Last sentence, I think we need last
Yes,
sentence.
sir, I am speaking. Shall I start it again, sir?
Have
Sir,
you
shall I
completed?
start it again?
Yeah, please.
Sir, shall I? Me, I am Padmavati. Is this Yashoda Hospitals? Receptionist. Yes, Yashoda Hospitals. How can I help you? Me, I need an appointment with Dr. Krishna, cardiologist. Receptionist. May I know the reason, ma'am? Me, my mother is suffering with knee pains. Receptionist. When would you like to meet him? Me, will you please fix an appointment at 12 p.m. tomorrow? Receptionist. Okay, Miss Padmavati, I have noted it down in diary. You have the appointment tomorrow. Me, thank you, ma'am.
Very
Receptionist,
good.
you are welcome.
Very good, very good. Excellent. Excellent. You have done nicely. But only two small corrections because you have spoken excellently. I am giving you these corrections. 12 o'clock is not PM, 12 noon.
Okay, sir.
Okay. 12 is not
Okay, sir.
afternoon or PM. 12, whenever you say 12, you have to say 12 noon. That is one thing. And one more thing. Okay, can you please read it again? I forgot what you are speaking. Can you please one more time? Can you
I am
please read?
Padmavati. Is this Yashoda Hospital?
Hmm.
Receptionist, yes. Yashoda Hospitals. How can I help you? Me, I need an appointment with Dr. Krishna, cardiologist. Receptionist.
Yeah, I
May I
remembered.
know-
I remembered. Now, let me tell. Suffering from.
Okay, sir.
Okay. These are the
Okay,
two
sir.
just small changes, but you have spoken nicely. Anybody else who wants to speak? Now we have only
Thank you,
2.5 minutes.
Yes, Neha.
Sneha, please speak your dialogue. Sneha?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, please come on.
Sir, receptionist, Hyderabad.
The
Me. Good morning, I am Miss Neha.
lot of disturbance is there. Sneha,
Sir,
why is it? Do you have some net problem? All the others are able to hear Sneha clearly?
No, sir.
Sir,
Yeah, some lot of disturbance is there from.
sir.
no, sir.
Sir, can I say for Sindhu?
Sindhu, please speak. You are clear.
Yes, sir. Receptionist. Hello, Yashoda Hospital, Hyderabad. Me. Good morning, ma'am. I'm Sindhu. Receptionist. Yes, ma'am. How can I help you? Me. I wanted to take an appointment with Dr. Visista. Receptionist. Sure, ma'am. When do you want to meet the doctor? Me. Could you fix my appointment for 5 p.m. please? Receptionist. Sure, ma'am. See you at 5 p.m. Me. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, nice Sindhu. Nice Sindhu. Anybody else? Now we have only 1 minute time. After 1 minute, we are going to get
Sir,
disconnected.
Yasmin, sir. Sir,
Yeah.
Grishma, sir.
Yeah, Yasmin, please
Sir,
speak.
Yasmin.
Yasmin, speak.
Hi, receptionist. Hello, we are from Sikindrabad Yashoda Hospital. Hi. Good morning. Good morning, I am Yasmin, receptionist. Yes. How may I help you? I want an appointment with Dr. Suhail, cardiologist. Reception. May I know the reason, ma'am? I need to talk to him as my mother is suffering from heart problem. Receptionist. When you want to meet him, I will please fix a appointment at 5 p.m. Okay, ma'am. I have noted it in the diary, and you have the appointment tomorrow at 12 p.m.
12 p.m. I just now said 12.
12 noon.
Right. Very good. Correct.
12
Anybody
noon.
else? Now
Thank
only
you.
10 minutes is left.
Welcome.
10
Sir,
seconds
Grishma.
time is left. Please. Only 10 seconds is left. Yeah. Come on,
Hello,
start.
sir. Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can
Grishma, sir.
hear, but lot of.
Receptionist, hello.
Yeah.